What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Galaxy S25 series phone look its best in terms of the display. Make it look really rich and beautiful, that color. Right here in the S25 Ultra, I have the colors set perfectly. They are perfectly matched. They are set the way I want them. And on the S25 Plus, not so much there, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. And I don't know if you can tell, but when I look at these, I can tell that the colors on the S25 Plus, this one right here, are just not as vibrant and not as rich and as colorful or as beautiful as they are on the S25 Ultra. So I'm gonna show you how to do that so that they look the same. So let's get into it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swipe up and we're gonna go in the search box at the bottom right here, and we are just gonna search for settings. So tap on settings right there. And next we're gonna go into display. So we're just gonna swipe down until we see display. Once we get to display, we're gonna do two things. So we're gonna go into screen resolution and we're gonna change this into QHD+, hit apply. Now before we go into the next two settings on your display settings, I do want to let you know that the screen resolution option is only an option on the S25 Plus and the S25 Ultra. If you have the regular S25, you cannot change the resolution of the display. So just keep that in mind. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure under display settings that Eye Comfort Shield is off. Turn that off. Then what you want to do is you want to go into where it says your screen mode, and we're going to tap that. Make sure it's set to vivid. And if it's not, just tap natural and then go back to vivid. And then you're gonna see this, where it says white balance. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this back a little bit so it's on the second one. And then you wanna go into advanced settings. So we're gonna keep the RGB all the way up. And then we're also gonna grab where it says vivid and pull this all the way up as well. So now we have like this amazingly beautiful photo, and I'll go back. At this point, we're done with the settings. We're gonna hit home. And now when I match it up, they're much, much closer in temperature. Obviously, they'll always be probably a little bit off, but the colors and all that stuff are just way, way closer to what I really like. And it's a really nice, rich, vivid, beautiful color on both displays. So there you guys go. Linked up down below if you want to purchase the S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.